Oh, hold on. My dad's asleep. He's snoring.
That sucks, but it's better than the Bowser's pay, and I'm kind of out of a job anyway, so I'll take it.
Yep. All right, well, just report at the piece of joint by midnight. You're gonna be working there.
Let's get this channel to listen for these subscribers and well.
Weekend's on.
So
What am I doing with my life? Oh, that's all pizza. Oh, I am hungry. Oh, it's cold.
Oh.
Gosh. We could have at least warmed it up or something. What? Wait, what? That's
we
weird
just
as hell.
make some funny things. I'll make some stupid, funny races and other stuff. Like,